Zeke? Zeke is playing a game, and he'll only pick up the turtle. Zeke, come on. You want to play your game? Hi. Okay, look. Let's play. Look. Look. Which one are you going to get? The turtle. It's the turtle. Whoa. So excited. Come, let's play. Let's play your game. Let's play your game. Turtle again. Let's switch the page. Switch the page and see what one Zeke wants. Ready? There's a puppy, a kitty, a birdie, and a turtle. Which one do you want, Zeke? Find the turtle. Find the turtle. Zeke got the turtle. Yay! Good job. Good job. Good job. You got the turtle. Ready for your second round? Ready for your second round? Here we go. Okay, here goes the puppy, the kitty, the birdie, and guess what's last, Zeke? The turtle. Where's the turtle? Where's the turtle? Come on. Look. Look. Which one are you going to get? The turtle! Hi. Hi, sweetie. You like the turtle, huh, Peanut? Woo! Well, hello. Hello. Oh, goodness. Fat little sausages. Woo! Hi, honey. Say bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye. I love you.